commuting through city streets, weekend camping, easy riding, grocery runs and short hops, one vehicle does it all. 3 wheels, rock-solid grip. The front motor delivers powerful drive. Adjustable track, foldable seat, more space in your hands, removable battery, wide foot mat, steering as smooth as silk. 250W brushless hub motor, peak 350 dollies. Climbs hills with ease, starts smoothly. Narrow or wide track, any road, any space. All ride data, one glance. One twist, frame folds, basket flattens, easy storage. Engage the parking lock, no rolling on hills, park anywhere with confidence. One twist, the frame folds instantly, the basket flattens too. Storage, no sweat. Before, full size. After, 75, 40 by 65 centimeters, fits any trunk. Fold the seat back, pull the front handle, roll it like a suitcase. The foldable 3-wheel e-trike, redefining short trips. Start your